Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to mute someone on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to mute someone on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the inbox and your messages will appear here. If you want to mute this person, then you have to open his or her chat. Click on the three dots which appear at the right top corner. Click on dots. Now you can see mute notification, pin to top, block and report. If you mute notification, then this person will be muted in your account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.